Hi, I'm Sagar Babar. I'm glad to attend MachineCon 2019. I'm from ComSense Consulting. We focus more on customer analytics, and with the analytics, we also have offerings on customer engagement. So whatever insights we get from the analytics, we have engagement platforms also. We are a global company based in US, Singapore, and India. And for customers, we have the India's second largest diagnostic company is our client. The largest e-commerce, B2B e-commerce company, which is Tata's M Junction, those are our client in India. And we have variety of customers across cross industries in India. So we have a platform called DataSense. So DataSense is all about engaging or getting all your data from different sources and providing it to the machine learning model. That's a small pain point or pain area we solve with DataSense. Basically, we focus more on predictive analytics. Using their data, we build models for them. But the main part is we focus only on customer data. And then with that, once we get those data, we also provide MarTech solutions, which is marketing automation. We business partner with IBM and Salesforce to provide customer engagement. The major pain point for a company with getting the data scientist is really there is a scarcity of data scientists in market. So what we have done is we hire people who has good analytical background, statistical background, and then we train them in technology. And that has worked for us. That's where we have good skills. And the important aspect which I spoke in panel as well, and which the Sujit also spoke, right? It is each of our employee understands the business. That's very critical. He's just not a data scientist. He also needs to understand the business and what problem he's solving. We have very good customers in Singapore and Philippines and US. We've just started 1 year back here, so that we just have few customers, but we have large customers like Sentosa Resort is our customer in Singapore, Sun Life Bank. We also working doing some kind of POC work with Great Eastern Life here, and a lot of other small companies we work here. Data science was there for long. It was used in different aspects and by different technologies. But what is evolved now is the business is trying to understand where can I use this landscape. That's very critical. So now they are able to understand the use cases, and that's where the business outcome, and that's where they will understand where to use this technology. Technology is always there, right, and it will evolve. But the business knowledge or the business impact is important.